Hello friends, this is the third test we are taking in connection with collective nouns, class nouns, a pair of followed by like spectacles, most of followed by plurals, quantity and number. And if number it is plural, quantity it is, say for example, most of the land. Quantity in the sense that uncountable nouns. And then we have cattle, news, people, advice, measles, that is the name of a disease. And then we have subjects like ending in politics, phonetics, then economics, physics, mathematics and so on. I hope it is clear to you now. Let's go. Here we begin. Here physics is an interesting subject. Perfectly alright, because physics is singular. Alright, although it ends in S. The problems of mathematics are easy for us to do. Problems of math, problems plural. So are easy. Correct. Good news is always welcome. Very good, because news is singular, always. Bad news travel fast. There is no such thing as muses. So we will say bad news travels fast. All the luggage have to be removed. Luggage, class noun, singular. Luggage is class noun, like crockery, cutlery and so on. So, correct. All the luggage has to be singular, has to be removed. A great number of people enjoy traveling. Number of people, plural. It's a great number of people, plural subject. So, people, a great number of people are. Oh, that is missing here. Sorry, that's my mistake. I forgot to write the are there. Okay. But then now it's okay. A huge crowd is watching World Cup. Correct. Because crowd is collective noun and it is singular. There is a lot of time for you to prepare. Time, uncountable. So a lot of. Time is a non-count or uncountable noun. Traditional grammar we say, and therefore it is alright. There is a lot of time for it. There is a lot of time, yes. Good advices are accepted by people. There is no word advices. Advices not plural, and that is always used in singular. So we will say advice. Good advice is accepted by people. Most of the money is kept underground. Why? We don't know. Don't ask such questions to me. Most of the money is uncountable. So it is singular. And so correct. Is correct here. Pair of spectacles immediately needed for me. A pair of spectacles is immediately. Pair of gloves, pair of spectacles, pair of shoes and so on, singular. A pair of spectacles is immediately needed for me. A regiment of soldiers are on the move. Wrong. Regiment is a collective noun, and so it is singular. So a regiment of soldiers is on the move. A congregation of worshippers are chanting hymns. Congregation of worshippers is collective noun, it is singular. And so is. Don't look at worshippers, but congregation of worshippers. But if you say congregation of worshippers are asked to depart through different doors, then that is plural. Asked. Understand? Yes. Because then there is no, it's not a one unit. You don't get the suggestion that it is one unit. We have already discussed this. Yes. The audience is enjoying the concert. Alright? Audience is collecting noun and so it is singular. Yes. Congregation. Yes. and then engage. The audience, okay, correct. Most of the land is barren, correct? Because land is uncountable. So this is singular. Most of them. But most of the boys are. Most of the boys are attending. Then most of. So most of, plenty of, lot of, etc. Followed by count nouns plural. Non-count nouns singular. Alright? Now you are thorough with all these things, remember? Remember these things I told you? Testing time for collective nouns, class nouns in a pair of, followed by nouns like gloves and so on, most of, followed by most of, plenty of, etc. Followed by count nouns and uncount nouns. Uncount nouns singular, count nouns plural. News is singular, advice is singular, shingles, etc. Such names of diseases ending in S, they are singular, and subjects ending in S is singular. Otherwise, you have to say, like economic facts, mathematical problems, and so mathematical facts. Mathematics of, then that way, means mathematical facts. Calculations, so to say. That's the meaning. Is that clear? Fine? Very good. So, this is now full A plus. Full A plus. Okay, very good. So, from tomorrow we pass on to another subject, we will take another topic, we will take. Our tutorials will continue like this. So, in the meanwhile, if you follow, if you like it, if you follow, if you find that this is useful, you should subscribe to my channel and also tell your friends and your classmates and friends in other schools, etc. to subscribe so that you get more videos and you get updates every day. Bye. Have a nice time. Enjoy your life.